Peace to everybody, back with another video. This is FDA approves first generic albuterol asthma inhaler, and as you can see here in the screenshot is two different asthma inhalers. There's one in the red and one in the blue. I've been on the one with the blue, but then they switched me over to the one on the red. So because I do have asthma, and it's because of me for smoking cigarettes for 6 years, but I had quit for 14 and a half years, going on 15 next month. The FDA has approved the first generic albuterol inhaler, which could save lives and money for the 26 million Americans suffering from asthma. Yeah, so the FDA did approve the first generic albuterol inhaler, which could save lives and money, and this is for the 26 million Americans suffering from asthma. Pro-Air HFA, better known as albuterol, is a common treatment for people with asthma. FDA Commissioner Stephen M. Hahn, MD, said the approval of the generic version is part of our long-standing commitment to advance patient access to lower cost, high-quality generic drug products that are as safe and effective as their brand name counterparts. And so the Pro-Air HFA, it is better known as albuterol. It is a common treatment for people with asthma, and the FDA Commissioner Stephen M. Hahn, MD, said the approval of the generic version is a part of our long-standing commitment. Perrigo Pharmaceutical Company received FDA approval for the inhaler. The inhaler is a true generic not made by a brand name company, which will hopefully drive the price down. According to NBC News medical correspondent Dr. John Torres, according to GoodRx, name brand inhalers can cost up to $500 for a cash payment. Generics for some inhalers that have previously been approved are less than $100 for a cash payment. Yeah, so the inhaler is a true generic. It's not made by a brand name company, so we don't know what the brand name company is, but they're not made by them, which will hopefully drive the price downwards. And this is according to the NBC News medical correspondent Dr. John Torres, according to GoodRx. The name brands, they can cost up to $500 for a cash payment, but with the generics, you could pay $100 for a cash payment for the generic inhalers. In order for the FDA to approve a generic drug, it must have the same active ingredient as the name brand product, and it must treat you the same way and have the same overall effects. Yeah, so the only way the FDA could approve it, it had to have the same active ingredients as the name brand. So that means the generic brand inhaler is going to have all the same ingredients that is put into the inhaler. And it must treat you the same way and have the same overall effects. But yeah, but the name brand that's up to $500 for a cash payment is just way too much. But the $100 one for the generic brand is much more less, so you're saving $400 literally on a generic brand. Leave your comments below. I am out.